Before committing any real capital, it's important to understand how your strategy would have performed historically. That's where the backtest feature comes in. Click on the backtest tab within your strategy. Select the historical date range you want to test. You can also include brokerage costs and slippage as a percentage. So your results reflect a realistic, real world scenario. SmartAlgo will instantly compute and display the total P&L your strategy would have generated over the selected period. You can compare your strategy's performance directly against a benchmark index, helping you understand whether your strategy genuinely outperforms the market. A day-by-day P&L breakdown gives you a granular view of consistency. You can see exactly which days were profitable and which weren't. The strategy overview section summarizes all key metrics: total P&L, return on investment, win rate, average profit per winning trade, and average loss per losing trade. You can also visualize each individual trade directly on the price chart, so you can see exactly where the strategy entered and exited the market. The daily trading insight section further breaks this down into a session-wise performance summary. If you feel the strategy needs adjustment after reviewing the backtest, simply switch to the Modify tab to fine-tune and retest.